Want to replace your Spectrum router with an eero mesh Wi-Fi system for better coverage and features? You'll need to use Bridge Mode. Bridge Mode turns your Spectrum router into a simple modem, letting the eero handle all the routing and Wi-Fi duties. This avoids double NAT, which can cause speed and connectivity issues. As of September 2025, this setup is fully supported by Spectrum. To begin, ensure your eero system is compatible with your Spectrum service, coaxial or fiber. Newer eero models, such as the eero Pro 7 and Max 7, even support Wi-Fi 7. Keep in mind that enabling Bridge Mode on your Spectrum router will disable its built-in Wi-Fi and security features, so you'll be relying on eero's security suite for protection. Make sure to activate your eero security subscriptions. Make sure to check Spectrum's website to make sure your modem is eligible. First, log into your Spectrum router's admin panel. This is usually at 192.168.1 or use the Spectrum app. Find the Bridge Mode setting and enable it. This will turn off the Spectrum router's Wi-Fi and DHCP server. Next, connect an Ethernet cable from the LAN port on your Spectrum modem to the WAN port on your main eero device. Open the eero app and follow the setup instructions, selecting Spectrum as your internet service provider. The app should guide you through the process. Finally, place your additional eero nodes throughout your home for full mesh coverage, connecting them wirelessly or with Ethernet backhaul for best performance. After setting it all up, make sure to check your internet speeds and eero device connections to make sure they are connected correctly. If you encounter any issues, consult the eero support guide or contact support.